yeetaaga ennyama ennungi ng'ekoleddwa bulungi era ng'eteekeddwateekeddwa ku mutindo ogwesigika, totawana kutambula ekibuga. Tawafeeke Butcher abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ng'okkirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa era mu bipimo kika ki. Bakubire essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfik Butcher ku nnamba eno ku 0752 23 89 33 oba 0774 73 45 85. Tawfik Butcher tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
We conducted several operations on the 25th and 26th within the areas of Kampala Metropolitan. Kajjansi conducted operations in areas where they expected revelers to gather yesterday, and also places like Kawempe also conducted operations in the city center. We had operations in along Fairway Hotel, that is along the Kololo stretch, where altogether a total of 200 suspects were arrested within Kampala metropolitan area. These suspects engage in activities of grabbing phones through Vigari. I don't know whether you know those things. They have a group, they organize a group and only target revelers who are for concerts and start grabbing phones from them. Items like marijuana and also 3 suspected stolen phones were recovered. We are going to screen the suspects out and render them in courts of law as soon as courts start working.